Alright, so number 37. Okay. Which of the following has the largest numerical value? Is it A, 30% times 120, B, 35% of 100, C, 0.35 times 120, or letter D, 1/4 of 160? Okay, so para makuha yung ah, answer nito, let us have the equivalent for letter A. Who can solve for letter A? What is the equivalent value for 30% and times 120? Ano po ba yung value ng 30% of 120? Okay, yes. 36 po yung value ng letter A. Yung letter B, ano po yung value niyan? 35% of 100. Yan, madali lang i-solve yan kasi 100. Alright. So yung letter B, it's 35. Yung letter C naman, ano yung equivalent niya? Yes, magaling. Salamat po. May sumagot po kung ano yung value ng ng mga options natin. So A is 36, B 35, C 42, and letter D is equals to 40. So with that, letter C is the greatest since yun yung hinahanap natin. So letter C yung sagot. Alright, so ito po yung visuals kung ano pong value ng A, B, C, and letter D.